A custom gift shop business specializes in creating and selling personalized, unique gifts tailored to each customer's preferences, making every product special and one of a kind. Ever wanted to turn creativity into cash? Discover the secrets to launching your own custom gift shop and stand out in a world of one-size-fits-all. Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Are you ready to turn your passion for personalized gifts into a profitable business? In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start your own custom gift shop from scratch. Whether you're a craft enthusiast or just looking for a new business venture, this guide is for you. If you're passionate about creating unique businesses and learning how to turn your ideas into income, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more step-by-step guides and insider tips. 1. Market research and niche selection. Identify your target audience. Research competitors and trends. Choose a niche that aligns with your strengths. For example, custom mugs, personalized jewelry, etc. 2. Business plan. Outline your business goals, budget, and timeline. Plan your product line, pricing strategy, and marketing tactics. Determine your startup costs and projected revenue. 3. Legal requirements. Register your business name. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Consider trademarking your brand. 4. Sourcing materials and equipment. Find reliable suppliers for your raw materials. Invest in high-quality equipment for customization, for example, engraving machines, printers. 5. Product development. Create prototypes of your products. Test different designs and customization options. 6. Branding and online presence. Design a memorable logo and brand identity. Set up a professional website and social media profiles. Use high-quality images to showcase your products online. 7. Marketing and sales strategy. Leverage social media and influencer marketing. Offer promotions or discounts for first-time customers. Attend local craft fairs or pop-up shops to gain exposure. 8. Launch and scale. Start small with a limited product range. Collect customer feedback and refine your offerings. Explore additional sales channels like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own e-commerce store. Starting a custom gift shop is an exciting journey where creativity meets entrepreneurship. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a business that brings joy to others while allowing you to express your creativity. Remember, success comes with persistence and the willingness to keep learning and adapting. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe for more business tips and inspiration.